Morning students, welcome back to online class. This is your English grammar class. Okay, last class what we have completed, we have started with the pronouns, right? You all can remember last week we have started with the pronouns. It was page number 33. Yes, no, it was page number 33. Take out your grammar textbooks first. This is your grammar textbook. This was the pronouns chapter, page number 33. We have completed this page, and next was the exercises 34, 35 we have completed, and again in page number 36, fourth main, one paragraph, I gave that as a homework, right? I gave that as a homework. You all can remember, and I hope you all have completed that also. What was the homework? Underline the pronouns in the paragraph. They have given the paragraph. In that paragraph, we have to see which are the pronouns and we have to underline that. I hope you all have done. You all have completed your homeworks. And now in this class, next remaining we'll be learning. Okay. What the pronouns we learned in the last class? It was personal pronouns, right? Personal pronouns. It was what we learned. I, we, us, yes, no, they, them, he, him, she. That all were the personal pronouns. We had learned about that, and we have completed so many exercises also. And you all have understood also, I think so. You all have understood what are the personal pronouns, right? And in this class, we are going to learn about possessive pronouns. Okay, possessive pronouns. What are possessive pronouns? See the words ours, yours, his, hers, mine, theirs, and its are called possessive pronouns. Okay, what are the possessive pronouns? You all no need to write this anywhere, just listen, that's it. Okay, possessive pronouns: ours, yours, his, hers, mine, its. These all comes under possessive pronouns, and theirs means, see, what is this possessive pronouns? It shows the possession or ownership or a relation of a thing or a person with another thing or person. See, this is your book, right? If you just see this book, if anyone tells that book is mine, yes, no, what you will tell? No, it is mine, you will tell. Means it is yours, your own book it is, right? If anyone asks, who's that pen? Who's that pencil? Who's that book? Right? What you will tell? It is mine. It is my pencil, because it is not others. It is only yours. Your own. Right? Your own. It is yours. So what you will tell? It is mine. This book is mine. Pen is mine. Right? That is the possessive. Okay? See, we'll read some examples also. This is our house. This house is ours. This house is ours, means it is our house, right? House. See, example for your house also, what you will tell? It is our house, it is our house, right? Means it is yours only, not your friends, it is yours only, right? See, this house belongs to us. This is your book. This book is yours. This book belongs to you. This is his cap. This cap is his. This cap belongs to him. This is her chair. This chair is hers. This chair belongs to her. This is my watch. This watch is mine. This watch belongs to me. These are their bikes. These bikes are theirs. These bikes belongs to them. Okay. See here in this, which are the possessive pronouns? It is ours, yours, his, hers, mine, theirs, and its. These all words are the possessive pronouns. Understood? See, next main is fifth main. Write these sentences as shown. All the sentences mean the same. Okay? What we should do? We should change the sentences. How they have given in the example, the same way we have to change the sentences in the exercise. We'll do now. Take out your pencil, eraser, and start writing with me only. Fifth main it is. First one they have already given. So we are going to write second one. This is your toy. So the second two answers, you know where to write. The blanks it is given. There you have to write. Okay. This toy is yours. This THIS, this toy is yours. This toy is yours. And the next answer. This toy belongs to you. This toy is yours. This toy belongs to you. That's it. See now the third one. This is her bag. What we'll write? This bag is hers. Next. This bag belongs to her. Okay. This is his seat. This seat is his. This seat belongs to him. Okay. See now. Fifth one. This is my computer. So what we'll write? This computer is mine. This computer belongs to me. This computer belongs to me. Sixth one. These are their clothes. These clothes are theirs. These clothes are theirs. And next answer, these clothes belong to them. These clothes belongs to them. Okay, like this we'll write the answers. We have to change the sentences. See, I'll read now once again. Still anyone writing? Please copy down fast. I'll read it. By orally also you can write. Yes, no, if I tell orally also you can write. See, I'll read now. This toy is yours. This toy belongs to you. This bag is hers. This bag belongs to her. This seat is his. This seat belongs to him. Fifth one. This computer is mine. This computer belongs to me. These clothes are theirs. These clothes belongs to them. Okay, this is what we have to change the sentence. Now, copy down fast. We'll start with the sixth main. Shall I rub? I'll rub, students. Okay. Now, sixth main. What is wrong with the underlined words? Correct them. See, they have given some underlined words. That words are wrong, it seems. We have to make it correct and we have to write the sentence. Okay. See, first one. The cat is our. Our we can't tell. The cat is mine. Okay. So what we'll write? The cat is mine. This is yours luggage. This is your luggage. This is her ring. This is her ring. Fourth one, the dog is wagging its tail. The dog is wagging its tail. Fifth one, your shoes are nice. Your, that's it, okay? No, yes, your shoes are nice. Your shoes are nice. Sixth one, I don't know their name. I don't know their names. I don't know their names. Okay. Seventh one, we sold our old house and bought a new one. We sold our, okay, no yes here. We sold our old house and bought a new one. We went in our car, they went in there. We went in our car, they went in theirs. Ninth one, this is mine ball. This is my ball. 10th one, that bicycle is mine. That bicycle is mine. 11th one, my hair is longer than her hair. My hair is longer than her hair. 12th one, what is yours name? What is your name? Question mark. Okay. See, once again I'll read. The cat is mine. Here there was our in the question. So we are changing that our to mine. Okay. The cat is mine. This is your luggage. This is her ring. The dog is wagging its tail. Its. In the question it is only IT. So we are changing it into its, its tail. Your shoes are nice. Your shoes are nice. Your. I don't know their names. Their names. We sold our old house and bought a new one. Our. We went in our car. They went in theirs. Theirs. This is my ball. My. That bicycle is mine. Mine. My hair is longer than her hair. Her. What is your name? Your. Okay. This is what we have changed the sentences at written. Okay. Now copy down that fast and another 2 mains more. Okay. We'll do that. Copy down that fast. Shall I rub? You all know if you are still copying, just pause the video, copy down fast and play it. Okay. Don't keep your textbooks incomplete. Okay. Now, the next one. What is that they have given? See, they have given some examples. Read these sentences. Every morning I wash myself. Karina is looking at herself in the mirror. He hurt himself. We made ourselves a tent. The cat cleans itself. You must do your homework yourself. They enjoyed themselves. See the words they have given in the bold words. Okay, bold letters. It is myself, herself, himself, ourselves, itself, yourself, themselves. These are the reflexive pronouns. See the words myself, himself, herself, yourself, ourselves, themselves, itself, and oneself are called reflexive pronouns. These words are called reflexive pronouns. What is a reflexive pronoun? See, they refer to the subject of a sentence. The action of the verb returns to the subject. They refer to the subject of a sentence. They refer to the subject of a sentence. In the sentence, we all know there are 2 parts, subject and predicate. Yes, no? This reflexive pronouns, it refers to the subject of a sentence and the action of the verb returns to the subject. Action of the verb. Action of the verb. Okay. It just refers to the subject of a sentence. See here. They enjoyed themselves. They is a subject. Yes, no. They enjoyed themselves. Himself. Ourself. These words are called as reflexive pronouns. Okay. See, now fill in the blanks with correct reflexive pronouns. Okay, they have given some options here. By choosing that options, we have to fill the blanks. It is 7th main. First one. I introduced dash to my new neighbor, myself. I introduced myself to my new neighbor. You should blame yourselves. You should blame yourselves for this mess. Third one, father made himself a cup of tea. Fourth one, the dog curled itself under the bed. Fifth one, mother made herself a sweater. We enjoyed ourselves at the wedding, ourselves. The man was talking to himself. Please make yourselves at home. Okay. See, once again, I'll repeat the answers. First one, myself, yourselves, himself, itself, herself, ourselves, himself, yourselves. Okay. These are the answers you have to write. And next main is 8th main. Read the following conversation. Underline all the reflexive pronouns. So this main will be your homework. 8th main, page number 39. This is your homework. Okay. And apart from that, you have another one homework also. It is cursive writing. Cursive writing. Complete till page 15. Okay. With your gel pen. With your gel pen. This also I am writing here. You have to use your gel pen and you have to write the cursive writing, copywriting book. Okay. English cursive writing. You have to complete till page number, okay. Page number 15 means it may be like 15 pages also or else page number 15. Okay. You have to complete till page number 15. Understood? And this homework part, I'll read now once. See, read the following conversation. Underline the reflexive pronouns. Richa, did you enjoy yourselves at the beach? Ritu, oh yes, we enjoyed ourselves. The children also enjoyed themselves. Richa, that's very nice. What about your nephew Rakesh? Ritu, he also enjoyed himself. He went for a swim in the river. Richa, what about your nice Preeti? Ritu, Preeti was very happy. She was singing to herself all along. Richa, how sweet. Did you take your dog too? Ritu, of course. It played in the sand and then cleaned itself. Richa, what did you do? Ritu, I sat by myself under a beach umbrella and watched all the people. See here, you all may know which are the reflexive pronouns in this. See, one by one I'll tell. Yourselves, ourselves, themselves, himself, herself, itself, myself. These all words, wherever you see, just underline that. That is your homework. Okay. I'll stop my class here and complete the cursive writing also. And this homework also you have to complete. Okay. Grammar, this homework I have already told the answers also orally. I have not written on the board. This is your homework because so I have told it orally and this is a homework in cursive writing book. Okay. Thank you, students.